Alright, what's going on, YouTubers? Vlog here today. I'm editing the video of me building the axles on the OH32A03. So I'm working on that. And then I was watching Joel's 3D Printing Nerds video. The Siemens MSL. Yeah, I want to talk about this. This is a cool print. So I don't have it printing on the All-in-R. I actually got my Mini Delta running. Yeah, I think this is pretty cool. The kid that won the design and everything, I think that's epic right there. That hold on, that was a meme. Yeah, that right there, that's pretty cool. That's printing on there. And then I woke up. I was just having some tea. Oh, look at that. FPV Outlaw got a new video out. Oh, we got a new subscriber. Thank you. Where's it at? Awesome. RC commented. Man, me and my wife, we had a tickle. I was loving that. Thank you very much, man. I love your videos too. I love watching your videos. Super HD camera you got. Love those. But yeah, let's check out the print that's going on the All-in-R mini price. On the All-in-R right here. This is another motor that I'm printing. It's not going to be like one of these Ford motors. This one right here was printed at 35 infill. Just finished today at 15 hours. That one says it's going to take 10 hours, but I'm printing it pretty slow, so it's going to take longer. And here's that print that I saw today on Joel video. So it's like a Christmas tree ornament with a tree inside. So I got it printing pretty slow. As soon as this video posts, this vlog post, I'll have the link where you can get the STL file. But yeah, thank you, Joel. I saw that and I was like, I gotta print this and get this to my mom. It's like a vase with like a Christmas tree inside. I also designed a little jack stand that I just got done printing last night. But alright, you guys, like, share.